Hey there! If you're like me, keeping track of your futures trades can feel overwhelming at times. Scattered notes, missing data, and no clear picture of your performance. That's exactly why I created this futures trade journal. It's the same one I personally use to track profits, losses, strategies, and more, all in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works and show you how it can simplify your trading journey. Let's dive in. Setup tab. When you first open the spreadsheet, you'll land on the Setup tab. This is where you can add your strategies and futures contract details. First, I'll add a few strategies that I use while trading. Next, you can see I've already added some futures contract details here. If you want to add more, simply enter the details into the table. Recording transactions. Now, let's look at how to record transactions. I'll start by adding a few trades. You can select your position as either long or short. To enter a date, simply double-click on the date cell to open the date selector. Next, I'll show you how to close an open position. Add the exit date, exit time, exit price, and fees. You'll notice the status automatically updates to closed. Partial close. Let's go over how to handle a partial close. In this case, you'll need to split the original transaction by making a copy and adjusting the quantity. Then, add the exit details as usual. Sorting and filtering. Now, let's explore the sorting and filtering options. As you can see, I've added a few more transactions. Using the buttons on each column, you can sort and filter your trades by contracts, strategy, positions, and more. Strategy performance. Next, let's look at the strategy performance section. At the top, you'll see a chart showing which strategy has the best performance overall. On the left, there's a drop-down menu that lets you select an individual strategy and check its win rate. Below, we have two additional charts displaying the overall win-loss ratio and position status. Monthly Overview tab. Finally, let's move to the Monthly Overview tab. On the left, you'll find a table summarizing your monthly trade performance, including metrics like total profit and loss, average gain and loss percent, win rate percent, and closed trades. On the right, there are two charts providing a visual breakdown of your monthly total profit and loss and average gain and loss percent. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.